Let me show you how to make amazing chocolate blueberry pancakes for less than 500 calories. So here's what you'll need. Some nut milk. Oh yeah. Peanut butter pancake mix. Low calorie maple syrup. Chocolate chips. Egg whites. Nut powder. Man, I love my nuts. What can I do? I just love them. I love slapping them around. And finally, some blueberry. I want to throw this, but it's open. And this video will take much longer than I anticipated. I'm sorry you won't be able to see blueberries slapped around. Get a bowl. Any bowl that your heart desires. A bowl is a necessity. Yeah, a bowl. If you try to do this without a bowl, good luck. Before going forward, can you just annihilate that like and subscribe button? You will burn 1 calorie by doing so. Add 75 grams of your pancake mix. Add 13 grams of your Add 12 grams of your nut powder. Add 15 grams of chocolate chip. Add your cinnamon. Now mix this all together. Make a little hole in the center.
That's what she said.
And add 46 grams of your egg whites. 47 grams will do. Add a quarter cup of, you guessed it, your nut milk.
Oh my god.
Now mix. Oh, and I almost forgot. Add 1 packet of your 0 calorie sweetener. Don't forget. Now let's get the cooking started. Let's see how you make these pancakes. There's a really special technique to making pancakes that not a lot of people know about. Let me show you. Turn on the stove. Let the pan heat up.
A few moments later.
I'm touching the pan to see if it's hot. Don't try this at home. Pretty hot. Now 1 second of cooking spray. 1 second is 10 calories. 5 seconds, 50 calories. Quick maths. Now, I'm not the best chef in the world. I just know a lot about calories. The average person isn't the best chef. The average person wants to lose weight, and they want it a simple and easy way. You don't have to make it perfect. Things don't need to be perfect. It's okay for them to be less than perfect. Your effort is what matters. Now let's add some blueberries. Fun fact. Pancakes were known as hoe cakes in the American colonies. Those good old George Washington days. Actually, not so good. I take that back. Pancakes come a long way. Our ancestors likely ate pancakes about 30,000 years ago on a hot rock. Yeah. The more you know. Get your handy dandy spatula. It's not dirty, it's just very old and very used. I make a lot of low calorie dense food with this. Okay? Don't judge me.
Don't judge the cover, judge the book. Man, don't book the cover. Book, don't whatever. Don't do it. Just don't do it.
Woo! Listen to that sizzle. Now, I'm not the best chef in the world, but I will show you how to make low-calorie dense foods that taste amazing. I tell you this by far, this is hands down amazing. This is the final product. Now this is the final product, but I have my little surprise. That was about 20 calories worth of fat-free whipped cream. Now let's add the sugar-free maple syrup. Let me taste test this for you on camera. Oh my god. That is so good. Unreal. You got a little bit of blueberry, a little bit of chocolate chip. It's like you bringing the diner to you for half of the calories. Man, I don't even want to know the numbers on restaurant pancakes. I really don't. This is the cross section. You get to enjoy all of this for less than 500 calories. Don't feel guilty. Eat swell. Please like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at calorie.doc. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.